Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix VLC Player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080p HD videos. First, what we're going to do is open up our VLC Media Player. We can search for it using the search icon. Click on VLC Media Player and the VLC app should open. From here at the top, we have many options for tabs. Click on Tools right here and click on Preferences. From here, this little window should pop up, and what we're going to do is focus on the bottom part of the screen right here to show the settings. It is currently set to Simple. We click on Alt to switch to Full Preferences view. From here, we have a lot of options: Advanced Audio, Input or Codecs, Interface, Playlist, Stream Output, and Video. We click on video right here and make sure that it is expanded. If not, click on this little arrow icon beside it and these options should pop up below it. From here, click on output modules and make sure that the video output module is set to automatic. If it is set to any other, make sure that it is set to automatic. We click on save right here. We close the VLC player and we open it again. From here, we go to tools again and go to preferences. We then switch to full preferences view by clicking on the all option. And from here, click on input or codecs. We scroll through these options for a bit and go to the advanced section right here. From here, we are going to change our file caching. If yours is set currently to 300, set it to 600. If yours is set to 500, set it to 1000. Mine is already 1000 and that's good, but if yours is lower than 1000, you have to double it. And once you have done that, click on save right here and we close VLC again. We reopen VLC and click on tools and preferences once again. We click on to show all settings. We go back to video. From here, we go to the input or codec section and click on the video codecs. We click on the little arrow beside the video codecs and these options should pop up. First, we go to FFmpeg, scroll down a bit, and make sure that hardware decoding is set to automatic. And for threads, we set it to 2. So highlight this one and set it to 2. And the next one we are going to select is the X264 under the video codecs option. From here, we scroll through a bit. From here, we expand this windows a bit so we can see all options. And as you can see here, there is number of reference frames. We set it to 3. Mine is already set to 3, so change it if yours is not 3. And click on save right here. We close the VLC again and reopen it. And now you should try to play your high quality video and see that it is already not lagging and skipping. And that is basically how you can fix VLC player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080p HD videos. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.